Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its title is Festivals in Pakistan. So my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about letter writing, how we can write a letter to our family, to our friends. Okay, before in English for grade 4, 5, my dear students, we have already learned about letters and its formation. Okay, so I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to get more about it, that how we can write a letter. So our student learning outcome is write an informal letter and formal letter of application. So now we are going to get about formal and informal letter. So yes, there is a beautiful verse for you, my dear students. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Naml, verse number 28. Go with this letter of mine and deliver it to them. Then stand aside and see how they will respond. So have you got, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Yes, as we know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given power to one of the prophet, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, that he understood the language of bird. Okay, so when Allah gave that, go this letter of mine and deliver it to them, and that he gave a letter to his bird and said that go and deliver to them and see how they will respond and stand aside and then judge. Okay, so today we are going to learn about letter. Okay, so see there, are you ready for pre-reading questions? What is difference between formal and informal letter? So my dear students, already we have learned many times in our grade 5 about formal and informal letter. So you should tell me now about difference. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get answer from your students. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have got that what is difference between. Okay, let's see what is difference between formal and informal letter. What is a formal letter? A formal letter is a letter written to a business, a college, or for any other professional purpose. Yes, such type of letter, formal letter, we always write for a business purpose, my dear students. When we have a business purpose, when we are writing to our college, to a company where we are working, so such type of letters are called formal letter. Formal letter means we have to write straightforward, okay, with concern that because we are writing this letter as a professional purpose. So keep remember, so we have to be formal in these such type of letters. But my dear students, both letters have same structure, okay, even that is formal and that is informal. So see that what is this letter where we write, to whom we write? Yes, for business, college, or for any other professional purpose. So what is an informal letter? An informal letter is the type of a letter you would write to someone you know. Okay, have you got that? For example, a friend or a family member. So informal letters are those letters, those type of letters, my dear students, that we write to whom we know, and we need not to be like formal with them. We can write in an easy way. We can get there how they are and how they are spending their time, and we can discuss our things frankly. Okay, so such type of letters are called informal letter. And to whom we write? Definitely to our friends, to our family members. So such type of letters we write to our friends and family members. Good. So see there structures how to write a letter. There are certain formats that apply to all types of letters. They are explained here. Same format is that, my dear students, even we are writing formal letter or informal letter, structure is same. So try to get that. Number 1 is heading, consisting of the sender's address, the date. First of all, when we write, the first thing would be heading, and salutation, Dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear sister, dear sir or madam, to whom we are writing letter. So we will pay salam. This is called salutation. This is the next step, second step, my dear students. Okay, let's see what is the third step. In next step, the body of the letter. What is the body of the letter, my dear students? Can you get? Body of the letter is that thing, purpose. We declare here, we mention there our purpose of writing a letter. Why we are writing a letter? Suppose we want to invite someone, suppose we want an official leave from office. So this type of letters, this thing is called purpose of letter. So we write in the body of the letter our purpose of letter. Why we are writing a letter. See there, next is complimentary close, your affectionate brother, sister, with lots of love, yours faithfully, like take care, bye for now. So this is the last and the next step, second last step, there when we are closing our letter, we have done in the body of the letter, and after that we want to close. So that complimentary close will show, okay, that who I am and which relation I have to that person to whom I am sending letter. Okay, so if I am brother, sister, with lots of love, yeah, like faithfully, you're sincerely, okay, you're affectionate, so such type of word we use. And the last will be the signature of name of the sender. Who is sending the letter? At the end of the page we will write name. Okay, have you got? These are, and there is, my dear students, there is a sample letter. You can see that a letter to a brother from his sister living in a distant city. So this is a sample letter. So you can see that Gulshan Iqbal, sender's address, Karachi. This all is showing us heading. Okay, have you got? And what is salutation? Yes, to whom she is writing. From his sister, she is writing to her brother, dear Awaz. So what is the body of the letter? That completely is showing the body of the letter, purpose of letter, why she wrote letter. And the next is complimentary close and signature. So have you got that? This is the actual way to write a informal letter. This type of letter is also informal, my dear students. Okay, remember this is the way, same way. So my dear students, now same way, that thing will be same, like heading and salutation. Even you are writing formal letter or informal letter, just body of the letter will be changed. Okay, good. So let's perform an activity. If you have got about that, how we can write a letter and different types of letter. So see there, yes, my dear teachers, make pair of students. One of the student will tell what she wants to write in a letter to her friend. The second student will tell how she would like to reply. Okay, so you will make pair of students and then get information about writing letter and how he or she will reply to them. Pause the video, perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Good, excellent job, and I hope now you have got that how we can. No problem, my dear students. You should be confident that while performing any activity, you should be confident. Okay, good job. So see there is a question for you. Yes, my dear teachers, write a letter to your friend in your notebook, inviting him to come and join you in the cultural mela in your city. So this is a question for you, my dear teachers. Get your students in your classwork, in notebook, they would write this letter in their notebook. Get this activity in your class and then come back. Good, excellent job. I hope students have done and students have written about letter, how they can perform. And my dear teachers, you have also guided them. Good job. So what's our homework for today? Write a letter to your brother for telling him your progress in your studies. So that this is for homework. You will write a letter to your brother. When we are writing a letter to our brother, so definitely it is an informal letter. So keep remember. So what we have, so yes, my dear teachers, this worksheet is for you. You should click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form, and so that we should be able to get that how much concept they have got about letter writing. There is a complete format for you, my dear students. then just you have to put information. Okay, good. So what we have learned today? We learned about letter writing. We also learned about formal and informal application. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, write an informal letter and formal letter of application. So yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, I hope now you have got how we can write a letter as an informal and a formal way. So I hope you have enjoyed and you have covered our SLO in a nice way. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon. Till that, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.